The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, North Central Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tennessee Ridge, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Dover, Fort Campbell, Erin, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Cumberland City, Houston County Airport, Indian Mound, Palmyra, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 5. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,